Alright, here we are with the Spartan double odd buck 12 gauge 2 3/4 inch shells. We're going to take a quick shot at 100 yards through a goose gun just to see what kind of pattern we're getting down range. Y'all stick to it and see how it do it. I don't know, that messed up, but anyways, there you go. Alright, here we go, another 100-yard shot for you. We have these Spartans low-grade plutonium buckshot pellet. Just regular buckshot. That's something Smoky Oak is developing, is a nuclear grade buckshot for shotguns. They're slowly working on it. It's in development. Shouldn't tell y'all that, so y'all keep it between us. But we're gonna shoot these Spartan double odd buckshot at 100 yards, low brass, out the goose gun. Now we're just gonna see if we get anything on paper or not at 100 yards. Got the camera, other one set up about 50 yards because of the weedage out here. Kind of got a little out of hand. Didn't figure it was gonna grow up the way it did, as fast as it did. So here we go at 100 yards, Spartan 12 gauge. These are the cheaper buckshot you can buy through the Marlin original. Aiming dead center. Alright, here we go. Well, not too shabby for the Spartan. I believe that was a tab blown off right there. So we have a pellet. That's definitely a pellet. In the kill zone, aiming dead center. So that's already a plus. We got one up there. That looks about it. Oh, one right there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 confirmed on. Oh, down here. 5 confirmed on the big paper, and only in 2. That's what I'm impressed right there with, those 2 right there. I might take a second shot just to. I'm not gonna come up close. I'll just have the camera at 50 yards. If it hits it, I'm gonna leave these 2 up here and see if I can actually hit the black square again at 50 at 100 yards with the Spartans. We'll do that real quick, and if it hits, I'll say good job. If it doesn't, I'll say no bueno. Thanks for watching. We do not have any on the paper, but we do have one up top. Try to remember, cause yeah, that's on paper. That was that. There. We have one right next to it. Huh. I mean, technically, looking at how the that ain't too bad. I mean, when it boils down to it, at 100 yards for cheap buckshot. I mean, granted, yeah, you're not gonna. I wouldn't use it for anything but anything, and last resort or whatever. But yeah, we got one right next to it. There's one up there, and that's it. So there you go. It is very hot in Texas. It ain't everywhere else in the south, southwest. Thanks for watching.